Good girl. There you go. Good job, bug. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Bree. I'm 25 and I live in Minnesota. It's Wednesday. I figured I would just start a vlog now and do a little like few days in my life type of situation. It is already like 4 o'clock, but I literally have been swamped with work the past week or so and will be for a week or so. That was pretty much all I did from 8 a.m. till now. I'm finally taking a second to make some dinner. We're making dinner early because Matt and I both have been swamped and we missed lunch and we're both starving. So we're making dinner at 4 o'clock. I did film it for TikTok. I'm making a taco pie is what I call it. So I'm in the process of editing that. I haven't started editing it, but I need to do that and post that tonight. And then I also am going to have a little Diet Coke. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a mini. I can never finish an entire can and I always feel so bad about it. And I saw these at the store and was like, these might be perfect for me. I have like 5 minutes left on my timer for the food and it smells so good. I also just gave Sky a bath because she was kind of stinky. We do training with her on Tuesdays, like I said in last week's vlog. So last night, and not that the place we take her is like gross by any means, but it's a dog training place. So like they just have tons of dogs going in and out of there all day. So it just gets a little dirty, you know what I mean? And she kind of just like smelled like the place, and she was in need of a bath anyways, so we did that. So I did that with her real quick, and I did it in the bathtub, which I was doing it in the sink for a little while when she was like even smaller, but I think she likes it better to like be able to kind of just like actually stand or sit in the tub in warm water. I usually fill the tub up like literally 3 inches, 4 inches, and she can just like stand in it. But now she's napping because she gets so cold after we give her a bath because she just stays wet for kind of a while. So she bundles up into her blanket and naps usually afterward. But that is where we are at as of now. I'm gonna keep sipping on this and eat dinner. And then unfortunately I do have to keep working tonight. I have something that I said I would have done today and it's taking me so long to do. So we'll probably be working into the night a bit. I am still working, trying to find my blue light glasses because after staring at a screen for so long, I start to get a headache, and these are about the only option I have to try and counteract that. I still probably have 2 hours at least of work left, so I'm gonna keep grinding away and I will probably talk to you guys in the morning. I'm proving to myself by the second that I need that espresso shot because I've now sprayed this water all over the place twice now. I keep turning it on before I get it into the actual thing it needs to go into. I need to slow down for a second. 7:15. I have a workout at 8, so I'm quickly just like getting ready for that. I'm not much of a like energy drink person. When I'm just going to like an early morning workout class, I find that just having a single shot of espresso is the way to go. So cheers, let's drink this. I put just like a touch of creamer in there because I just like the way it tastes better. I also need to chug water because these classes are heated. You sweat a lot, so I always am trying to drink a decent amount of water beforehand. I did just switch a load of laundry, which I think also just got my brain all like in a mode of like go 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 go, because normally when I'm doing like laundry, dishes, and just like chores, I'm like trying to just get that shit done. And so that was the first thing I did when I woke up, and I think my brain was just like moving way too fast for its own good at the moment. That is done. We need to leave in about 20 minutes, so let's go get ready. Now I can't find a hair tie. We found one, but I'm thinking I maybe need to put my hair up in a bun, unfortunately, because like I said, you get really sweaty and like this all being down in my face, probably not the move. So let's redo this quick. Oh, look at that. We have our green grippy socks clean to match our outfit. For a while, I would go barefoot in these classes, and that's what I would say like majority of people do, but I don't have my own mat. I just feel better in socks. And I also found that the grippy socks do help me a bit. So I've just been sticking with it. I'm gonna sit down quickly and just like jot down anything I can think of for my to-do list. I normally like have everything running through my mind right when I wake up, and so I like to just get it out on paper so I don't have to keep thinking about it. My to-do lists have been a bit boring this week though, because I haven't, like I've said, had as much time. So like yesterday's pretty blank because I worked most of the day. When I do have really busy work days like this, I try to just have like very realistic to-dos. Take a break to fold laundry, take a break to clean the kitchen, getting the clutter and like the little things done to keep my brain clutter clean. But then it's also giving me a chance to like step away from the computer for a second. I do really want to go to Gap though, so I might squeeze a little shopping break in there if I can. Let's go.
It's like literally like
inhale before taking full breath in. So at the same time that you reach 6, 3. I'm playing to down. Pulse. Shoulders lean back. 2, 6, 5. Squat and twist.
Hi, Bubba's. You have a good nap. Hi, Bub. Big stretch. Back to bed. Okay, we are back home. It is 9 o'clock. I like don't even want to sit on anything because I'm so sweaty, but I'm also like lightheaded because all I had was one protein waffle before that class. I can't eat like a ton of food before I go and work out like that, but I do need a little something, otherwise I get, you know, a little faintish. I'm gonna go shower really quickly because I need to be clean, and then we're gonna make breakfast like ASAP. We're manifesting warmer weather with this set. I actually just got this like probably a month ago for my Florida trip, and I'm obsessed with it. I love the blue color of it, and it makes me want summer so bad, but it's still 2 degrees out. It says tomorrow's supposed to be like 20 something degrees, which I understand is still not warm at all, but then by the time like next Thursday, Friday rolls around, it's supposed to be in the 40s. So like I am so fine with that. It has just been getting colder and colder and colder, and I need it to flip it and reverse it and go the other direction. I'm gonna quickly do my like everyday face routine, which I actually just got all new products for, and they were all from the same brand. It is called Skin by Ella. I'll have it in my shop, my linked below, but I would say pretty much every day if I'm gonna do anything to my face, it's going to be moisturizer and SPF, which I already did, eyebrow gel, blush, and like a lip balm or a lip gloss. And that's pretty much all I do if I'm just like hanging out. I am loving these products so far though. I love that I have literally just like my lineup all right here. I will say the blush takes the cake. That's the lip gloss. The blush takes the cake. It has like shimmer in it, so it's like a blush and a highlight all in one, and it is so good. And some lip gloss. I definitely don't need to be just like wearing this around the house. Like I should probably just put like chapstick or something on. But here's some better lighting. Now we've got a nice little glow and looking a bit more put together. But now I need breakfast, like need food. It's almost noon. We have worked now for about 2 hours. So this is where I'm gonna take a little baby break and just like clean up the kitchen, make a coffee, get some things organized. I think I'm gonna fold some laundry because I have like 3 baskets of clean clothes that need to be folded. This is where I'm like, okay, we be productive with work and we just like go, go, go. And then when I need a second to like rest my eyes, we take a break, but we still be productive in other ways around the house. Instead of just like sitting on my phone. It's good to take breaks, but they are still productive breaks. So let's clean up the kitchen quick because these dirty pots are just staring at me and they need to get out of my face. I just pulled into the mall parking lot and I'm taking my like second little break, if that's what you want to call it. I am gonna film some content for TikTok. I'm gonna run into Gap. I've been seeing so many like good things in their new spring collection coming out, and I haven't shopped at a Gap in a while, so I'm interested to see what they have going on in there. So I'll give you a little recap once I come back out, and like if I end up buying anything, I'll give you a little haul. But I will also be posting a few TikToks. More of that content will be over there. You guys, work is just absolutely taking over my entire life this week. My hair is crazy. I look crazy because when I'm stressed, I like run my fingers through my hair and like mess with all of it a lot, and I like don't realize it until I look at myself and I'm like, oh, you got a lot going on everywhere. There's like loose hairs in the back. Anyways, I got back from the mall and my little shopping trip, which I'm wearing some of the stuff I got. It's really comfy and I'm excited to wear it as it gets warmer out, and the color is perfect. I know the lighting right now is booty because it's dark out. I can also like show you a better look at what I got from Gap today, maybe tomorrow when the lighting is better. But I did post a few TikToks. I did like a try on haul and then also just like an overview of all of Gap's spring fashion that they have out right now. But now I feel like I'm just like rambling because my brain is a mess and I need to go to sleep, except I did want to do a few like cleanup things quick in the kitchen because I found that taking just like 5 to 10 minutes, even if it's late and I'm tired, to just clean what's in the sink or whatever's sitting out makes me feel so much better in the morning, because I come down here and it's not like an immediate stressor that like stuff is dirty. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm not starting my day thinking, oh, I have dishes to do, like right off the bat. Like everything is clean and in its place and it's a new day and you have a fresh start. So I've been working on just getting myself to get this shit done at night. Anyways, let's clean this pot real quick. This is also another thing that I hate doing for some reason, even though it's obviously like so easy, but I hate it even more when I wake up and there's no water. So it's worth doing and I thank myself the next day. And all of that took a whopping 3 minutes. So I just have to keep telling myself that so I can just do that every night. Okay, good morning. It is now Friday. I was gonna quickly show you guys the 2 other things I grabbed from Old Navy other than the yellow set I was wearing last night. I got these like jogger style jeans that are barrel cut or style, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And they fit me absolutely perfect. Very excited about these. And then I'm actually wearing the t-shirt that I got. Just kind of like a skin tight. It almost feels like it would be like Skims. Very comfy. I actually like it a lot. I made a really fun breakfast this morning. I forgot to film it on my actual camera, but I did film a few TikToks of it, so you can go watch it on there. It was this strawberry cream cheese filled French toast. That was a mouthful, but it was so delicious and such a like fun little treat for the start of the weekend. But I thought I'd pop on quick because again, I have just been working today, but it's Friday, the sun is out, it is slowly getting warmer. It is 23 degrees out, just still so cold, but that's like 40 degrees warmer than it has been the past week. I also just got a little Amazon package that I figured I would open up on here quick. This is something I've been meaning to order just to have on hand, because I've been liking to make juices or like little immunity ginger shots, stuff like that, and I didn't have anything to put them in besides just like a giant jar, but I wanted the little shot glasses because I feel like then portioned out it's easy to just grab and take, and it's cute obviously. But I think I got a pack of like 9. It was either 9 or 12, and I definitely don't need 12 of them. I would say I probably only need like 6 of them, but look at how cute. They're just these little glass bottles with lids. So I think I might do that today also, or that might be a tomorrow task because we don't really have much going on this weekend, so this could definitely be a thing that I could do tomorrow because I have all the stuff to make ginger shots. So these are so cute. We're going to a hockey game tonight. Quick little fit check. You can't really see it, but I'm wearing my new pants. with just a gray long sleeve and a sweatshirt thrown over. It's a Minnesota Gopher hockey game, which I didn't go there, so I don't have actual like Minnesota merch or gear, but I do have yellow. So I normally just toss on a yellow sweatshirt of some sort and call it a day. But we're gonna go sit at a bar and get like a drink and an app first, and then we'll head over to the game.